Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. And I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, I got some great news. I invested into myself and got me a new phone. So hopefully you guys appreciate the better quality videos. Yesterday my phone, the battery just gave out. It was charging backwards. So I had to go to Apple and get me a new phone. So that being said, today's video, y'all gonna come along with me to do some Uber Eats. It's Sunday. I call it Sunday Fun Day for me. It's early rising. It's a little bit like after 10 o'clock. I'm about to pick up my first delivery of the day. And yeah, I'm just focused on bringing y'all some great content, continuing my journey on this YouTube platform, elevating and evolving, you know? I ain't gonna lie, like this phone, I got the iPhone 16, so like the features on it, I'm trying to get used to. It's a great investment in my personal opinion. Now, I am gonna purchase some more Apple stock because, bro, I don't think it's any other phones that's really messing with Apple. I'm not even going front to y'all. That's just my opinion, okay? But anyway, my first pickup is picking up from this Harlem cafe. Drop off is not too far. I am starting out in Harlem, you know, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. Please make sure to give the video a thumbs up so that we get these videos on the YouTube algorithm. That quality go crazy though. Hold on, y'all. Chill, Apple. I'm hyped. I ain't going for it. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new to the YouTube channel. Welcome. Okay. Thank y'all for supporting me. YouTube Shorts been going bananas, and the channel is growing. Like I just told my sister earlier, I'm like, yo, I'm in awe. You feel me? I'm thankful. I am. It's like it's about time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new, leave your comments below, and let's have fun today. Alright y'all, so I just jumped out that first delivery and they just sent me another one, picking up from McDonald's, and then that drop off is a little bit further downtown, so about to go do this pickup now from McDonald's, and I'll see y'all once I get there. Alright y'all, so just finished dropping off that second delivery of the day, and that was a quick one, so once I get the next one up, I'll make sure I let y'all know. Alright y'all, so I was waiting for the bus, but they just sent me a pickup from Starbucks. This is probably the lowest paying order that I'm gonna take for the entire day, just being bluntly honest. The only reason why I'm going to pick it up and drop it off is because the drop off is literally across the street, so it is what it is. But picking up from Starbucks, see y'all once I get there. Just picked up from Starbucks, time to go drop this one off. So I just made it to the city. They let me back on the app for lunch rush. I'm scheduled for the whole entire day today. So from 2 to like 9 o'clock tonight. So right now I'm about to do a pickup. And the drop off is not that far. I'm letting y'all check out the back camera. I got it on like, I think like 120 frames per second. So the camera quality on this phone goes bananas, y'all. Word. It's crazy. But I see y'all once I pick up this phone. Sir, just made it to the pickup. Let's go get this one picked up and out the way. Alright y'all, so I just dropped off the fourth delivery of the day, and they sent me one picking up from McDonald's, and then that drop off location is not far at all. So let's go get this one done, and after that, that'll be 5. Hold on, take the focus. That'll be 5 on a day so far. So, about to go pick up the McDonald's order right now. As y'all can see, McDonald's is right there. I ain't going front. It feels good out here. I don't know what's going on with the weather. We already know that they control the weather, but my goodness gracious, how is it 60s, right? And we in November. Like, that don't even make no sense, right? It's kind of crazy. Word, but about to go, like I said, pick up this McDonald's order and get this one out the way. Alright, y'all, so I just dropped off that McDonald's order, and now they sent me a good double delivery. So, first pickup is from like a Thai place, Thai food, whatever, and then the second pickup is from Potbelly. So, about to get those two picked up right now, and I will see y'all after I finish picking up those two deliveries. Let's go, y'all.
I think it's left, Greg. We didn't come this way.
So I just got those two deliveries. The first one is in my bag, and the second one is right here. I tried to get a handbag, but the guy said that he couldn't give me a handbag unless the order was a big order, so it's okay. But about to get these two dropped off right now. After I complete these two deliveries, that'll be 7 on the day so far. So I will let you guys know once I'm finished with these two deliveries. Just got that first one dropped off. Now it's time to go drop off the second one. And like I told y'all, after I complete these two, that'll be 7 on a day so far. So just finished dropping off that second delivery, which makes 7 on a day. I know I said it 2 times, but my apologies, y'all. Now I'm on my way to go do a shopping pay. So, doing a shopping pay at Martin Williams, which is a supermarket. The customer got, I believe, 6 items. So, go get that one done, and I'll see y'all once I'm finished with the shopping pay. So they sent me an add-on, another shopping pay at the same place. That customer got like 5 items, 6 units, whatever. So I'm gonna get those 2 done and out the way, and once I have those 2 deliveries complete, I'll make sure I let y'all know. So I finally just finished that shopping pay, got those 2 out the way. Now it's time to go drop them off. It wasn't that long. It probably took me like 10 minutes, maybe 11. But about to get these 2 dropped off now. I will see you guys once I am finished with these 2 drop-offs. So just got those 2 shopping pay orders dropped off, which now makes 9 on a day so far. And now I'm going to do a double, pick it up from Jackson Hole. The first drop off is not far, and then the second one is like a couple blocks up. So we'll get those 2 done, and then that'll be 11 completed for the day so far, man. I appreciate anybody that's been watching the video. Once again, if you are new to my channel, you feel me? You can subscribe, can give today's video a thumbs up so that we do get on the YouTube algorithm. And you can also comment below. Comment below your favorite delivery app. What do you like, where do y'all be ordering from? Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash? Where y'all order from? So I'm on my way to go drop off the second delivery of that double right now, and they sent me another double. So pick it up for Little Beat, and then pick it up from Panda Express. So definitely about to get those 2 done. That drop off is not far at all. You know what I'm saying? Go get those 2 done, and out the way. So I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all at the first pickup. So I just got those 2 pickups. Now it's time to get those 2 dropped off. And after that, that'll make 13 on the day so far. And then like another 40 minutes to an hour, it'll be dinner rush time. So I'm talking about good Sunday. So I just got those 2 deliveries dropped off. That makes 13 on the day. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm about to get ready for dinner rush in the meantime. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up so that you can help me get on the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and also leave your comments below. And yeah, I'll leave the total of where I'm at so far on the day. And keep in mind, it took me off the app for like an hour. So yeah, but 13 deliveries. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Travis Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. But oh yeah, shout out to everybody. New supporters, returning supporters, SR community, NoFap community, stock market community. Everybody get to it. Alright? Let's keep growing and evolving. Yes, sir.